Normally the first visit for prenatal care for pregnant women will be in the first trimester, which is in the first 12 weeks of pregnancy. Normally they'll find out once they miss their period, which is about 4 weeks since the last period. And then they will be seen once a month for the first 7 months, every 2 weeks in the 8th month, and usually weekly in the 9th month. We normally do a first trimester ultrasound to confirm the pregnancy, confirm the gestation, make sure it's viable, make sure that there's only one and not two. If there are two, then that's great, but we want to know about that as soon as possible. We'll do another ultrasound, what we call the anatomy scan, usually between 16 and 20 weeks once we can see the full anatomy in the baby. And that's really to make sure that the heart, the kidneys, the brains, everything has developed normally. Nothing is perfect, and certainly we can't always ensure that there won't be any birth defects or that we'll pick up everything by ultrasound. 4% of birth defects won't even be picked up by ultrasound. And so we'll do that one, and then we'll do usually another one later in pregnancy for growth in the 3rd trimester.